Today, we bring you an amazing gadget that will take your listening experience to the next level. TOZO HT2 headphones. The design of TOZO HT2 is modern and stylish. These headphones are lightweight, which allows you to wear them comfortably for long periods. Their build quality is also first class, offering a perfect combination of durability and comfort. The sound quality of these headphones provides you with an immersive experience. With powerful bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, they are perfect for both music and calls. With TOZO HT2, every note and beat feels so real that you feel like you're in the middle of the music. These headphones are wireless, featuring Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, which provides you with a clear and stable connection up to a range of approximately 10 meters. Its battery life is also impressive. You get around 30 hours of playtime on a single charge. And if your battery runs out, the quick charging feature gives you up to 3 hours of playtime with just 10 minutes of charging. If you want to enhance your listening experience, TOZO HT2 headphones are the perfect choice for you. They offer an excellent combination of quality, style, and comfort. Order now and fill your world with sound.